Ka estimate committee ka yung darbar tauan ka Bthah katanat social welfare bahkan pansong pisan na ka sorkar pedeng bat sorkar jylla bante yaki Anganwadi Centre hapalat 1000 pa tali ki shnong ha keleng ke jylla Meghalaya ki bompat don ya kum kini ki jing syakri pat ba. Hadin ke jing yalang bisharkam ha ka shpotrik ya yong ucaman ka estimate committee uba meral bonds mulaong ngisngau khia ya ki shnong ki bompat don ya ki Anganwadi Centre ki don palat 1000 pa tali ki shnong ki bompat don ya ki Anganwadi Centre. Ngila shimkhia ya kani bat ajimut ya katanat social welfare bahkan wat ya kilat kilenti ban yo jingkershan pisa na ka sorkar pedeng bat ka sorkar jylla. Ka komiti kalaban juru halor ke jingdon kam ban wat ya kilat kilenti ban tek lakam ya ka kam shongkha khna bat ka jing armet dang khna. Uba meral bon ulapan pauru halor ka jingdon kam ban pensu thu syaki nong shong shnong kamtam ki khna samla ling ba ki singjam kum commission 1000. Ngi don kam ban pensu thu e ki khna samla shinrang bar kunthai bakin light na ki jing ba pher kamtam ha ka baya dei bat ka shongkha bat ka jing armet dang khna. Ngi dei ban pendon benta ya ki nong yalam niam nong yalam shnong ki seng kanthai seng tremon snobha bat ki seng bhalang ban pensu thu ya ka benta jong katanat social welfare ulaong. Uba meral bon ulaban jurru halor ka jingdon kam ya ka jing treilang ban yale persya ki jing ha ka imlang sa lang da ka baong kum unong thau an nga sngo ka de ka kamram jonga ban pentikna ha ka nu ka jing yalang pat ba ban pensu thu ya ki briu bangi hap ong yo drug ya ka shongkha khna ya ka jing armet dang khna ya uduma bat ya baro ki jing sniu ki badon ha ka imlang sa lang. Ngi dei ban ya trelang rengkat ban pentikna ba kan aji mento ya baro. Ha ka baya dei bat ka jing kendra badang shan jong ki pulit ya ki kam auria ha ki benta jong ka sor shilong. Uba meral bon ulaong. Ngilaya keren ha ka jing alang halor ki daw ki balam ha ka ni ka kambian ki bakta mat yong ya ka imlang sa lang kamtam ha ka ni ka juk ka bamenta. Ngi don kam ya ka jing trelang jong baro ki tenat kenang ban pentikna ya ka jing shngan bat ka jing yada na ka benta ka imlang sa lang. Ka komiti kala syong bishar kamru ha ka baya dei bat kisan teli ki weipat ki tenat trekam ka sorkar ki bakenthop ya ka tenat pule puthi PWD PHE information technology bat ka tenat pulit. Ka jingpet kelum ya ki tenat trekam kalong baka komiti kam dei ban kedau khti yano om ban keno yano henry ban pentikna ba kino ki jingpen bet ki balawan ra hapo ka ying dorbar bat ya ki bala menjur ling ba ka bang tingka ki dei ban poi syaki pai ba ka jylla ulaong.
The estimate committee, Meghalaya State Assembly, we have called a review meeting with 6 departments. That include the education department under the head 4202, and then the PWD department under the head 4059, then the PHE department under the head 4215, and then we had a discussion today, the 10th of April, with the social welfare department with regards to the uncovered villages which do not have Anganwadi Centre, and then we have had a meeting with Home Police Department under the head of account 4055, as well as with the Information Technology and Communication Department today to discuss about the ongoing construction of IT Park Umsauli, as well as to get the status of one of the initiatives taken by IT department, that is the last mile connectivity. As a committee mandated by the Meghalaya State Assembly, I'll just give you the gist of the meeting that we had, because the detail of the meeting we will have to produce on the floor of the House in the form of recommendation and report. But just for the knowledge of the people, that committee under the education department under the head of account 4202, we have discussed thoroughly about the implementation of the construction of various components within various model degree college within the state, that is in Rongjeng and Bthah, as well as other institutions like Kiang Lamba College, the extension, and the other infrastructure that we have within various districts or polytechnic in Jowai, in William Nagar, as well as the polytechnic in Nompo, in Northstone, and other part of the state. As well as we have follow up about mission education, the construction of the upgradation of the government LP school within the state. When it comes to PWD, under the head of account 4059, we have discussed about the implementation under this head, especially during the preceding financial year from 2022 onward. And we have reviewed and various projects within the PWD building. This head is under PWD building, the infrastructure within the state and outside the state also, like the Meghalaya house outside the state, the construction, the renovation, the upgradation which has been taken place. We have taken stock of this. With regard to PHE department, to the head of account 4215, we have discussed about various projects, for example, like the completion of the Ampati, Greater Ampati Water Supply Scheme, as well as other component of other projects within the state also. We have discussed and instructed the department to do as soon as possible so that the project will be completed in due course of time. Then with regard to the meeting today with the Social Welfare Department, where we are concerned about the uncovered villages which do not have Anganwadi Centre. There are around more than 1,600 villages which do not have. And we have taken note of this, and we have advised the Social Welfare Department to find out ways and means to get funds from the central government as well as the state government. Even though most of these villages, they remain uncovered because they didn't fulfill the guidelines, especially with regards to the population and household that they have. So in this regard also, we have discussed it thoroughly. So with regard to the Home Police Department under the head of account 4055, this also we have discussed about the construction or the infrastructure that has been made within the state, be it in the Khasi region or the Garo region also. And we have made an observation that the implementing agency under the Home Police Department, under the head of account 4055, be it the engineering wing of the police headquarters, as well as MGCC, we have instructed them to do it as soon as possible so that they will meet the requirement as per the provision that has been made in the budget during the preceding year. And lastly, we had a meeting with the Information Technology Communication Department, and we are happy to observe that the IT park that has been constructed at Sauli, New Shillong, it is completed, and we hope that it will serve the purpose to ensure the address the unemployment of the region as well as other issues that needed to be incorporated. At the same time, we have discussed about the status of the initiative taken by the government with regard to the last mile connectivity, the dream and aspiration of the Honorable Chief Minister to ensure that the internet, high-speed internet connectivity, it will be available to the citizen at large, especially to the district headquarters, to the block headquarters, as well as the subdivision headquarters. And this is it is at the final stage, even though few areas in Pura it has been made personalized, but in other part of the state, very soon we hope that it will be made available, and we have made an observation that this also it has to be on a fast track so that it will benefit for the people at large. So these are the observation, and the general observation to the department is that the committee here is here not to point fingers to anyone, not to blame to anyone, but to ensure that whatever provision that has been made through the floor of the House, the preceding budget that has been passed every year, it has to reach till the last mile to the public at large.